Hi. Welcome to this new video. Today we will discuss about simple program of Java. So let's start it. So here we have this simple Java program. If you want to create it, then just click on File, go to New and click on Project. If you are not on Java tab, then click on Java tab and select your SDK, then click Next. Now check this box to auto-generate this simple program and click Next. Write your project name. Here the base package section means that it accumulates your coding files or other files related to your coding in one folder that has the name com.company. You can also change its name. Like you can write hello instead company. When you click on this finish button, you will get the same code like this. Now I will cut it, because I already have the code. Here we have a class main.java. The name of this class is main. If you want to run the code, you must have the main class. On the first line, we have package name that is com.company. Here we have our project name. If you expand it, and go to source folder, then you will find package folder. Package folder means it collects your all files that are related to your code in one place. Now come back to our code. So as you can see, on the line number 3, we have the code public class main. It's making a class named main. Public means you can access the code of this class from anywhere. If you want to access the code of this class from another class, then you can easily access it without any issue. Here we have the class keyword, with which we do class creation. And finally we have the name of the class that is main. If you want to create a new class, then you must have to use the class keyword to create it. In the Java programming, you write the code in classes. You can't write the executable code outside of the class. If you do so, you will have an error. Now look at the line number 5. It is a method called main. If you want to get output or input from classes, then you should have a main class and a main method, from where you can run your other classes and methods. The public keyword is an access modifier. It provides the access to this method. Here public means the method main is publicly available to access. Static is a keyword that is used for making the main method. We will discuss about it later. Void means empty. Void keyword indicate that this method will not return anything. Main keyword identifying the name of the class. String and args are indicating that we have a parameter for this method. Here we are using this symbol to create an array of string type. The name of this array is args. You can use any word in place of args, like ABC. So here we have a single line comment. If you want to learn about single line comment, then click on the link in the description. Now run this program. You can run it through this button, or you just right click here and click on Run Main. As you can see, we have some output here. It means we run this program successfully. The next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna print out a hello world message. So right here, system with capital S, dot, out, dot, println. Now put parentheses here. Just write opening and closing bracket here. And now put a semicolon at the end of this line to make it valid. This complete line is called a statement. Each statement in the Java class is closed with semicolon. Now put double quotes here to write our message, and write hello world between these quotes. If you want to write some text here, then the double quotes are necessary for this action. You can't write text here without double quotes. Now run this program. So as you can see, we have the output of hello world. So now what we did here, we just generates an output of hello world from this statement. Now we will recall our lesson. Number 1. Main.java is the file name that makes a class named main. The class name and file are always same. Number 2. Package is a collection of related classes. It helps organize your classes into a folder structure and make it easy to locate and use them. Number 3. Com.company is the name of the package. You can use any word instead company. Number 4. Public keyword is an access modifier. It provides the accessibility to access this code from other code. Number 5. Class keyword is used to make the class. Number 6. Main is the name of this class. Note that keywords are case sensitive. Public with capital S or public in lowercase and public in uppercase are different things. Number 7. Static is used to make the main method. We will discuss about it later. Number 8. Void means empty. Void keyword indicates that this method will not return anything. Number 9. Main is the name of the method. Number 10. String and args keywords are making an array of string type. The name of this array is args. Number 11. This symbol indicates that there is an array exist. Number 12. This line is a single line comment. Number 13. System with capital S is a built-in class of Java, from where we can access built-in functions. Number 14. Out is another class that exists in the class system. Out is used to get output from the compiler. Number 15. Println is the name of the method exist in the out class. This function will print our message and then place the cursor to next line. Number 16. Double quotes are used to write our message or text. Number 17. This complete line is called a statement. Number 18. Semicolon is used to end a statement. Number 19. The left and right parentheses in a method declaration are mandatory and can optionally include one or more parameter, which is a way to pass information to the method. Number 20. The code block is used to define a block of the code. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button to get latest updates.